Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Simply Orchids, etc. I want to welcome you guys in, new subscribers, and as well as current subscribers. I want to thank everyone for supporting my channel. I truly appreciate it. Today, um, I want to do a little unboxing with you guys. I have ordered one orchid to replace one of my orchids that I have lost. Well, not completely lost. She's struggling. She has been struggling since I got her technically, and she's trying to recover, but I don't think she's going to recover. So I went ahead and ordered this particular orchid from Orchids by the Lake. He happened to have the orchid that I've been wanting for a while to replace. And I know my last video, I have said I have said that I lost a lot of my orchids this past year, and I wasn't going to order, but you know how it is. You see, especially with Orchids by the Lake, they post it on YouTube. They do an unboxing, and if you see something that you like, go ahead and let them know so they can hold it for you. And it was one of those orchid that I've been wanting to replace for a while, and I couldn't resist because, it's not always offered, and I know I am not gonna buy anything, but I like I said, I couldn't resist, so I just went ahead and went for it. And plus, I hope this one is healthy, and I'm just hoping it is healthy, so that way I don't have to buy another one. Although I want to get a different type of this orchids, but as of right now, I'll try to not to buy anything at all because my growing condition right now is not realistic. And so my orchids, I don't want to spend an orchid that can't thrive in my environment. But anyway, let me go ahead and do this unboxing for you guys. And this box arrived yesterday afternoon, late afternoon actually. So I didn't want it to unbox right away. I wanted to let it um, adjust to my environment before I open. So, and before I do that, let me put you guys on hold so I can open this box properly. One sec. So I'm back. I had to put you guys on pause because it was kind of, the tape was really secured, and as always, Yoshi and his wife do a good job of packing their orchids. So, like I said, I ordered only one because I just wanted to replace this one particular orchid. I'm really hoping this one is really healthy because the last one I have wasn't as healthy from the get-go when I got it. The bulb was shriveled, and so that's why I just want to make sure. Oh, okay, well, I got an extra one from Yoshi. Okay, so let's open this one. The orchid that I wanted to replace is called, I hope I can get it to focus. It's Cycopsis Mandahal. let me go ahead and check it out. Because it wasn't focusing on the camera. So okay, let me show you guys this. Oh, wait a minute. Well, this is not what I ordered, but let's see. I think this is maybe my freebie. What the heck? Okay. Yeah, this is the one I ordered. It's a Psychopsis Mendenhall. And it looks like this one is fairly healthy, actually. Yeah. And this one is way bigger than the one I got. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I think I got that from, where did I purchase that, my first Mendenhall? I think I got it from, if I'm not mistaken, from either Brookside Orchid or the other one. But anyway, yeah, this is the Psychopsis that I have ordered, and the bulb is slightly it's slightly shriveled. So maybe this needs water, but no, actually it's moist. But anyway, this is the plant that I wanted to, this is the orchid that I wanted to get it replaced. That's my Psychopsis. And here's my freebie. Thank you, Yoshi, for this freebie. I hope the name is inside, whatever this is. And this is a small one. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, this is a small one. Oh, this is gold. I can't read that. Gold something. Let me know what this is, because I couldn't read the writing. But this one looks, it looks good, I think. Yeah, it looks really healthy. Thank you for this nice little gift, Yoshi and wifey. I still don't know her name. So yeah, those are it right there. Let me go ahead and put it right here. Yeah, let me adjust this so you guys can get a better look. So this is my little unboxing from Orchids by the Lake. Check their website; they're available. And like I said, they have a YouTube channel by the same name, and they do an unboxing. And if you see something that you like, leave them a message or put it on the comment right below their video while they're doing it. They do it live actually, so yeah, check them out. I have ordered a couple times before this from them, and I've been really satisfied with their orchids. Actually, it's just after the fact that I get them here, I kill them because, like I said, I don't think my environment is ideal for growing right now. I don't have good lighting. I don't have good circulation. It's just, I'm just looking at it as hopefully, not hopefully, this is temporarily actually. But anyway, you guys, if you like seeing what you, if you like what you see, I can't talk. Um, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Push that notification bell as well. It does help me a great deal if you guys subscribe and push that like button. It just spread my video out there. Um, anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Stay safe, and as always, happy growing, everyone. Happy growing, everyone. Like I said, I can't talk. But anyway, bye.